Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the summary of the book named Man's Search of Meaning, which is written by the author Viktor E. Frankl. So friends, we are going to talk about the main points of this book, which is written by the psychiatrist who is also a psychiatrist. So let's start. Friends, in this book, the author Viktor E. Frankl, in the 1940s there was Second World War. He was in the Holocaust. There was concentration camps in which the Jews were keep it up, and they were forced to work, and they were burned up and they were died. So he was the author was also in one of them, but he got survived, and he wrote a book which is now bestseller book in the whole world and has changed the lives of many people. So let's start in this book. Friends, as the name of the book suggests, that the man search of meaning, it means that every person should have a meaning in his life.